Hello, my name is Gerardo Garcia Varela, and I'm going to give you an interactive presentation about my favorite topic.
Okay, so here we are with the presentation, and you're about to see how the objects will appear as I click this button. Okay, here's the presentation. As you can see, as you can see here, my topic that I'm going to talk is that how I learned about graphic design. Well, the objective of this topic is that graphic design is a very important tool that enhances how you communicate with other people. It serves to convey your ideas in a way that is not only effective but also beautiful, which is the creative thinking or the any kinds of things you want to have in your imagination, like you want to well, it's a very questionable concept, but everybody likes to tend it that way because it's not to have themselves very uncomfortable, uncomfortable. But it's also the things that you experience in your entire life, like any kinds of thing you see or you taste or you handle. Well, the concepts of graphic design are basically what is essential and striking in any circumstance to determine what anyone visualizes in their creative spirit. For example, there are 7 elements that describe it: the lines, the shapes, the colors, the textures, the types, the spaces, and the images, which those elements are the most important in the development of graphic design. You, you can you can handle this you can handle this forms to you can handle these forms of basics these forms of basics which we have to achieve to do our works. Well, my previous knowledge on this topic is that I have learned several things that graphic design has taken me into account. It is that I must depend on myself when creating something that is pleasing to my conscience without depending on anyone, which well, it's very good for me that I have experience in a single particular or a simple way. The real topic of this subject is that graphic designers create visual concepts using computer software or by hand to communicate ideas that inspire, inform, and capture consumers. Well, basically, the development has more design in various applications is in various applications such as advertisements, brochures, magazines. They develop the overall layout and production design for various applications such as advertisements, brochures, magazines, and corporate reports. Many of these workers are employed in specialized design service, publishing, or advertising, public relations, and related service industries. Right here, we got examples of advertising materials from graphic design that many people has been working. Graphic designers usually need a bachelor degree in graphic design or a related field. Candidates for graphic design positions should demonstrate their creativity and originality through a professional portfolio that features their best designs. Everybody knows that the subject of a worker is to think first before doing a task. Here's a presentation sketch of a graphic design, which describe it by the way how it looks, the characterization, the forms, and the lines that being describing. It also takes how he takes it for his topic. As you can see, graphic design is a very complicated labor. You have to do sketches that not only need not only need characterization, but very very calling a developed form and a stimulated material and a stimulated appearance. And a stimulated appearance, which everybody, which that the most of graphic designers gonna take their time to improve their way of drawing and finish their sketches for the final concept of of their of their designs. And it's a good profit then, and it's a good profit to release to yourself that you can do things to express yourself. And this is the best concept of that, because graphic design not only is a simple way of job, it's also a good a good career, a good work for entertainment, diversity, status, social status, propaganda for any kind of good, etc. And most people take it very personally for this kind of for this and most people take it very personally to improve, to demonstrate their imagination and show them to the whole world.
Thank you for your attention, and I hope you had a good time.